Hey everybody, Little Menace here, and I am back with more One Piece card game openings. I'm back with more OP14 EBO4, and I got promotional packs. Now, promotional packs like this too, you could only get when you play in tournaments at your card shop. But lucky me, I have a card shop friend who just gave them to me because I didn't get to make the tournament. I had to go to a birthday party. It was going to be my first time playing, and I was excited for it, and I'm a total noob, I really am. But I'm really going to just try to wing it and see how good I could do, because on the sim, I do pretty good. You know? And so on the sim, if you could find me, Menace 18505 on the One Piece sim. Now, now, the reason why these are important is because the Roger card in these packs is really important to keep the Roger in the meta, is what I'm being told. So, I mean, there's other reasons why they're you know, important and special, like these really cool promo cards that you get with them too, which is awesome for anybody who is collecting and stuff. And so a lot of them are playable. And oh my god, I was just speaking of him. So that's crazy. And also, I'm like super I came down with the serious cold and stuff, so bear with me. It took me a lot of tequila just to get here with you. Now, but yeah, just speaking of Roger, and boom, I get a Roger, right? That's awesome. Ooh, baby 5. And now, to the big stuff. So, how is everybody else's Monday going? Mine's been okay. At a birthday party that I went to, it was fun, you know. But the Peter Pipers in my local area has really went downhill with the games, man. Like, I'm not even joking. So, they added in this huge jungle gym thing for the little kids. I got in trouble and got kicked out of it. They wouldn't let me jump in it. Why? I'm literally the size of a little kid. I look like a little kid. I was having fun with the little kids, like a little kid. And there's no way in hell my tiny little 90-pound self could, like, do any damage. Why'd he kick me out? Because he's a hater, okay? And you just run into haters everywhere who can't handle the fact that you like to live life, and they try to tell you how to live your life and how you can't. And he kicked me out. Anyway. The arcade games and stuff have really went downhill over there. And, they like minimized it a whole bunch just so they could fit in that awesome jungle gym that I'm not allowed to play in. But yeah, they kept the basketball things though, so that was fun. I've already embarrassed myself. Whatever. Story of... Ooh, look at that hit! Corona. And I don't have any of my sleeves here. Do I? Oh, I do. Yay. They're gonna go on some really cool ace sleeves that I got. Why? Because they're the only sleeves right here. Ta-da! Hit. First pack. I'm really good at that, huh? The first pack hits. But yeah, so other than that, it was pretty good. It was fun. It was nice to see all the family. It was nice for the food. The cake was cool. It was cool. And happy birthday to the awesome little man we went to celebrate. Oh, wait. Ah! Come back, kid. And Egg Island on. Egghead Island on Egg Island. Anybody else have a cold? Anybody else dealing with anything? Because It's the story of my life. I couldn't be healthy to save my life. And I just fight through it. Oops. Who goes there? It's really fun to get back to it though, huh? Has anybody else seen Stephen John Ward, the guy that plays the Mihawk? Ooh, Boa. He does not look anything like Mihawk. He doesn't look anything like he does in the live action. He looks absolutely different. Like, they had to add on a whole bunch of, like, the fake hair and stuff. It's crazy. I watched the making of him when he was getting dressed up for it. That would irritate me to have to wear all of that stuff. Boa. Oh, this is a nice card. Pulled a couple. This is like I think my third one. Shoo. Ooh, Croc. Event. That's my boyfriend. Hit. This is my second Croc now. I'm gonna land up with a big old pile of Crocs, watch. Who's this kid? And Mihawk. So there is a reminder for everybody that watches and those who don't watch. You know, I'll also remind in the short about the Luffy giveaway. It is the exclusive alt art Luffy leader and a beautiful box with him for your cards. It's awesome, huh? And it's wanted. See? Yeah! But it's got to be episode 50. Gots to get to 30 likes. Be subscribed. And comment Luffy in the comments to be submitted into the raffle to possibly win that Luffy card with that box. Again, episode 50. Get it to 30 likes, be subscribed, and comment Luffy in the comments to be entered to win that box and that Luffy card. Ooh. Oh, that's nice too. That's a crazy Jimbei. Sorry if I'm not as chatty. I'm just, like I said, not feeling good. That be cold, all that stuff. Seems to get me all year long, though. So I was watching another Taz Skylar video of him saying Japan was scary. And I watched it and it's hilarious. When he's fighting the sumo wrestlers, oh my god. He could not budge them for nothing. And he tried. He really was just a fly hitting a brick wall. It was funny. I actually enjoy a lot of his videos, especially when he wrecked a $20,000 dune buggy. And even though it was a used dune buggy and all that other stuff, he had to pay the full $20,000. And he was like, what? I couldn't just fit, pay for the damages or anything else. I had to buy a whole new dune buggy. Yeah. Lesson learned, huh? Don't wreck shit. Carrot. I have a few of those carrots too now. That's my favorite form of her. In her white rabbit form. I mean, she's a white rabbit all the time, but I mean, like, when she's pure albino like that, my favorite form. I think she just looks so dark and cool. She looks like a true minx, huh? I'm gonna move these before I spill these over. All right. Monet. Oh, hit. That is nice. Look at that Gecko Moria. My first one of him, too. Very nice. So, like, I always escape here with, like, 3 hitters in every box. Seems like. At least, Ooh. Very shiny. Yeah. Inspect them. That's a really cool Dofi card too. Silver Israeli. And Queen. It says rare and I get so many every pack. Sure you guys could see them. Has anybody else started the Game of Thrones new season, Night of Seven Kingdoms? It's really, really good. If you have not watched it, I suggest you do. It's pretty good. Pretty funny. can't wait till Fallout on Wednesday. My boyfriend, Chipola. Kaido. Ooh. Here, make sure I'm not skipping my boyfriend. Oh, Dofi. Kid. Boa. Last pack. And it's sad and everything, but honestly, I'm not feeling well, so. But I had to be here with you to look at more treasure we could find. I'm actually surprised I'm in this okay of a mood. My boyfriend, what's up? Yeah. Okay, but that's all. Now remember to get put into the entry of being eligible for this, or in the raffle for this Luffy card. With this box, go to episode 50, hit like. You gotta join my crew. You have to be part of my crew, okay? I'm only taking care of my own. And comment Luffy in the comments on episode 50. Alright. Laters.